Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Eightree Smart Plug. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the smart plugs and a quick guide. You can buy the plugs in packs of 1, 2 or 4. I have here the pack of 2. Now let's have a look at the smart plug. As you can see, it looks smart and can blend into any room. It's small enough for you to be able to connect it to other plugs on the same extension lead. The plug can take up to 13 ampere of maximum load, making it suitable for charging your phone, TV, computer, laptop, lamps, lights and coffee machines. It has socket slots with sliding safety covers to prevent children from inserting their fingers. You can control the plug with your smartphone. To do this, you will need to set up the plug with the Smart Life app. Watch the video that will appear on the card above to learn how to set up the plug with the Smart Life app. You can also control the plug with Alexa and Google Nest smart speakers. This will allow you to control the plug with voice commands. Now let's test it. I've connected a Christmas tree light to my smart plug. I will now show you how to control the smart plug with the app. Use the power button on the app to turn on or off your smart plug. Now tap on Timer. Here you can set a countdown to turn it on or off. All you need to do is select your countdown time and press Start. It will start counting down, then it will change the state of your smart plug. So it will turn on if it was turned off, or turn off if it was turned on. You can also set a schedule. For example, I will set a schedule to turn on my smart plug on weekends at 8 a.m. You can add multiple schedules. You can also use the circulate or random option. Now let's go back and tap on electricity. Here you can monitor your energy consumption. In my case, I can monitor how much energy my Christmas tree lights use. Finally, after connecting your smart plug to Alexa, you will be able to control it with voice commands. For example, Alexa, turn on plug 1. Alexa, turn off plug 1. I can do the same with Google Nest. Hey Google, turn on plug 1.
All right, turning on the plug 1.
Hey Google, turn off plug 1.
Got it, turning off the plug 1.
Overall, this smart plug is a nice addition to any house. You can use it to control most electrical devices as long as it doesn't consume more than 13 amperes. It's very easy to set up and use. Also, being able to monitor the energy consumption of the devices connected to your smart plug will help you save money. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.